Water is a precious resource that can be expensive, and opening those bills can be a painful experience. Topping off your pool, watering the lawn, washing your car, gardening, irrigating, showering, and hand washing your dishes are some of the major wasters. Water utilities don't provide the information that you need to understand or lower your usage. So we made bluebot, the intelligent universal water flow meter designed to put you in control. We will guide you to your main water line to find the ideal indoor or outdoor location to plug it in. And installation is easy. Just clamp it on. People generally think in dollars, not gallons, so we dollarize your usage, allowing you to truly manage your costs in real time. Besides dollarization, the bluebot app displays real-time flow, historic data, and provides active coaching. We designed bluebot to be useful, intelligent, and fun, so you can enjoy saving the world's most essential resources, water and money.